Pierce. Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move.
Bill,
That's right, party's over.
you know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm like,
You're under arrest right now.
ladies, let's back up a little bit. Got it. It's lightweight. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. Cop, I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours. Hobbs, escort this novice out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
You got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle of something.
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
Man.
It was on vibrate. Shaw traced us. Ops can't hold him forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle. It's about to get real interesting. My Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door.
Roman, grab your truck. I need you and Letty ready to roll.
Now's a good time to make any advances.
Which one of you is the witness? Speak now or you all get fried.
This is our turn.
After them.
Okay, guys, it's showtime. Roman, Letty, hook him up.
I got the bull by the horn.
Now we're moving.
Give me the witness to let over the fucking day. The witness is mine, Letty.
How about you eat asphalt?
Don't think you're getting away. Put it in balls.
Way to go, Letty.
Don't let another missile shot.
Not gonna happen. Don't worry, I got this.
Roman, don't shoot. Head for the bridge. Under construction. Everybody hold on.
It's an entrance. Run and die.
Make some noise for Fast and Furious.